Hey everyone, it's Dewan from Affiliate Marketing with Dewan. I'm not affiliated with this program and won't receive any compensation if you choose to purchase it. However, I am part of an amazing community of mentors who have guided me in breaking into passive income online. I've included a link in the description so you can explore this community and join me if you're interested. Now, welcome to my Agency Navigator review. Today, we'll cover all the important details about Agency Navigator. We'll discuss its features, pricing, one-time offers, autos, and a detailed pros and cons breakdown. Stick around until the end, as I've got an exciting money-making offer to share with you. Before we dive into a quick intro, my name is Dewan, and I've been an affiliate marketer and content creator for years. I know how important it is to find a reliable system that works. Agency Navigator promises to give you a complete guide to building your own social media marketing agency. Let's see if it's truly worth it. Agency Navigator is a digital course designed by Iman Gadzhi to guide you through setting up and scaling a digital marketing agency. It's an 8-module course that covers everything from fundamentals to advanced marketing techniques, making it beginner-friendly yet comprehensive. The course is by Iman Gadzhi, a well-known entrepreneur and digital marketing expert. With his agency, IAG Media, Iman has achieved great success, and Agency Navigator is his way of sharing what he's learned. Here's a quick breakdown of the main features in Agency Navigator. The 8-module course structure covers the basics, mindset training, lead generation, sales, pricing, and service delivery. Community support and weekly Q&A calls provide a supportive community along with live Q&A sessions to keep you on track and help you troubleshoot. Mindset training offers guidance on developing resilience and a growth mindset, essential for long-term success. Lead generation techniques teach both free and paid strategies to find quality leads. Sales and service delivery covers sales techniques and case studies, plus ways to deliver quality services to retain high-ticket clients. The core Agency Navigator course costs a one-time fee of $1,499. This gives you lifetime access to the course content, updates, and community resources. Let's quickly go over the autos. 1. Fast Track Program $997, a 6-week masterclass to accelerate your learning with intense weekly sessions. 2. Agency Flow subscription, starting at $150 per month. Agency Flow is Iman's proprietary software designed to help manage client accounts, track leads, and automate workflows, making it easier to scale your agency. 3. Mentorship Program $1,000 to $5,000. For those who want hands-on guidance, this is a high-end mentorship program that offers additional strategies, systems, and one-on-one coaching directly with Iman and his team. The course offers a 14-day money-back guarantee, allowing you to request a refund if you feel it doesn't meet your needs within 2 weeks of purchase. Now let's discuss a balanced view of pros and cons from my experience and feedback gathered from Reddit and other forums. Pros: comprehensive training designed for beginners but provides advanced insights that can benefit even those with some experience. Community support includes weekly Q&A calls and a community of like-minded agency owners, which many users found helpful. Practical tools and templates, including sales scripts and outreach trackers, are included to streamline your processes. Cons: the $1,499 price point is steep, especially with additional autos that can quickly add up. Mixed feedback on Agency Flow. Reddit users have shared mixed opinions about Agency Flow, with some finding it helpful but others feeling it adds unnecessary cost. Cons: some Reddit discussions mention that the digital marketing space is becoming saturated, making it harder for new agencies to break through and attract clients. Some users noted on Reddit that the course requires substantial effort and time to implement fully and may be more challenging than Iman's advertisements suggest. In summary, Agency Navigator offers extensive resources and a structured approach, making it a strong option if you're dedicated to starting and scaling a digital marketing agency. It's not a quick-fix solution but could be valuable for those willing to put in the work. Be sure to consider the additional costs if you're thinking of investing in the autos, especially Agency Flow, as it can add significant value but also increases your monthly expenses. Thanks for sticking around to the end of this review. What am I doing to make monthly passive income? If you're ready to start your own journey toward making passive income online, be sure to click the link in the description. Not only will you get access to the same community that's helped me, but I've also lined up some exclusive bonuses to give you a head start. Don't miss out, click the link, and I'll see you on the inside.